right past. Drip, drip all on my swag. Why you tryna size me up? You don't wanna try your luck. Hot as a stove, what did you know? Burn like coal, yeah, you know I go. Way too hot, yeah, I really too cold. I'ma keep going till I hit my goals. Better get back when I'm in my zone. Do it for the ones that I know back home. Did it myself, they ain't put me on. Don't you call back if you hear that tone. Yeah. Another level, another level, another level. We ain't never settle, nah. Level up, watch me level up. Watch me level up, watch me level up. Another level, another level, another level.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Msnaturally here, and today I'm super hype about today's video. This tutorial is long awaited. So many of you guys have been on my back every time I post my sleek long braided ponytail or the bubble ponytail that I posted for my birthday. You guys are always inquiring about whether there's a tutorial, and y'all know I got y'all. So go ahead and smash the like button now because I know you're gonna love it. So I'm gonna be showing you all a new method to achieving an extended ponytail, and this is for my natural hair girls. So the texture of the ponytail is going to match your texture really well, especially if you are type 4 natural like me. So currently I have conditioner in my hair. I deep condition overnight to give it some extra TLC. When I do this hairstyle, I like to start with freshly washed hair. So I've already shampooed my hair. The conditioner is currently on it. I'm going to rinse that out in a moment, but I'm going to show you guys what conditioner I use. I love using the Aussie 7-in-1 conditioner along with the Juicy Smooth detangling conditioner. And I love using both when I deep condition. I feel like it really helps to melt the tangles away, and I definitely needed it this time around. So this is what my hair is looking like after rinsing out the conditioner. This is where we are. I'm just going to use a microfiber bonnet in order to dry out the excess water, and I'll link the ones that I get from Amazon down below. Now I'm going to proceed to show you guys my natural hair prep for this hairstyle. So I start with a leave-in conditioner, and this is a replenishing leave-in, and this has strengthening properties which I love for my natural hair. So I'm going to spray this on first, and after spraying that on, I'm going to apply an oil, and the oil of choice is the Drip by Juices and Botanics. And in the past I was using the regular, but I decided to move to the gentle, and I feel like my hair responds so much better to that one. I don't experience any irritation or anything, so I put that one on my scalp. After doing so, I'm going to do a scalp massage, which is great for natural hair growth, and y'all know we love that for us. I'm going to smooth both products all over my hair and then proceed to add the Hydracream, which is great for thirsty curls, and I love this product. It's really great for hydrating my hair, and moisture is key when it comes to natural hair growth, so I try to make sure my hair is moisturized at all times. So that's why I'm applying this all over my hair, and then after doing this, I'm going to add more of the oil to my hands and then apply it to the ends of my hair so that I can seal in that moisture. And don't worry, I'll be sure to link all the products that I mentioned in this video down below, so check the description box. The next step in the process is to part our hair off, and you can determine whether you want a middle part or a side part. It really doesn't matter, but I love to do this style with the middle part, so that's what I'm going to do right now. So now that my hair is parted down the middle and fully moisturized, we are ready for this protective style. I'm going to start this process by applying my curl defining glaze. I apply that over the top layer of my hair, and I love this product because it adds really nice shine and luster to my natural hair, and adding this product before the gel is going to ensure that my hair doesn't look dry and crusty. So once again, I like to add it to the top layer. I'm also going to add it to my nape area and then proceed to add my gels. The gels that I like to use are Eco Styler and also Got to Be Glue Gel. Keep in mind that if you don't desire to use both, you don't have to. I live in a rather humid environment, so I like to top it off with the Got to Be Glue Gel as well. After applying the Eco Styler gel, I like to use my boar bristle brush in order to smooth everything in. And then I'm going to apply the Got to Be Glue Gel in the yellow bottle, and you all will see that in a moment. This product is going to ensure that my hair has a great amount of hold and I don't experience any frizz. And don't mind the white residue that you might see throughout the duration of this process. It will dissolve once my hair dries overnight. So what I like to do before applying the Got to Be Glue Gel is to put my hair in a ponytail, and I like to put it in a loose ponytail and then apply that product, and I apply a generous amount. After doing that, I'm going to tighten the ponytail and then braid the ends of my hair, and then we're going to be ready to add the additional hair.
You know that I'm always hold you down, hold you down, hold you down. You know that I'm always be around, be around, be around. You know I feel worried about that thing, about that thing, about that thing. You know I feel worried about that thing. Through the highs and lows, you and me, baby girl, against the world, I'ma hold you down, down, down. Hold you down, down, down. Hold you down, down, down. Hold you, hold you, hold you down, down, down. Hold you down, down, down. Hold you down, down, down. Hold you, hold you.
forgot to mention this. Y'all know I'm extra. I like to add a little extra sauce to my edges to make sure they look fuller. So I use Toppik in order to do so. Now back to the process.
Baby, it's nothing new to me. Ain't nothing to prove to me. I'ma hold you down, cause you don't know what you do to me. I'm down on one knee for you. I swear I OD'd on you. And when your friends ain't loyal, you know that I'ma be here for you. I'ma hold you down like a push start button. I'ma be around when your friends start fronting. I'ma be around when you wish I wasn't here. Cause I know that you love it. You know I'm paying attention, even when we go through the tension. Hey. And this is more than a friendship. Yeah, you getting all my commitment. Yeah. I'ma hold you down, I'ma hold you down. I'ma hold you down.
You know that I'ma always hold you down, hold you down, hold you down. You know that I'ma always be around, be around, be around. You know I feel worried about that thing, about that thing, about that thing. You know I feel worried about that thing. Through the highs and lows, you and me, baby girl, against the world. I'ma hold you down, down, down. Hold you down, down, down.
All right, so here's the answer to the long-awaited question of what hair I use when I do my long, sleek braided ponytail. And this is what it looks like. It's by Outre, and it's their Afro Springy Twist Hair. It comes in length 24, and I get mine in color 1B. It comes with 3 bundles on the inside, and what I love about this hair is that not only does it match my texture really well, but it has curly, springy ends, and I love, love, love that. It looks so gorgeous. This is what the texture looks like up close. If you have 4B and even 4C hair, this is gonna look really, really good against your hair texture. All right, so now let's get into the method that I use in order to attach the hair to my hair without having to do the feed-in method. Using an oucheless goodie band, I wrap that around the ends of the hair where the curls are, and I like to wrap it around twice. After doing so, I'm gonna attach this to my hair, but before you attach it, be sure that the curls are facing downward. This is key. You don't want those curls sticking out. You want them to be hidden, at least at the top of the ponytail. So when attaching the hair to your ponytail, you want to make sure that the curls are laying flat, and then you're going to wrap the elastic band around the curly ends as well as your braided ponytail, and then you're going to fold that hair over, and it's going to look like it's your hair. As you can see, the curls are tucked under the hair, so when you fold it down over, it's going to conceal those curls and you will not see it. It's going to look like this hair is your hair. Now I'm going to go about the same process for each of the 3 bundles. I will be adding all 3 to the ponytail, but for the bottom portion of the ponytail, you want to make sure that the curls are facing upward. So instead of downward like we did the other one, we're going to have the curls facing upward and use the same process. And this will allow you to be able to flip your ponytail upward and not be able to see those curls sticking out at the bottom. Now all that's left to do is braid the hair. So that's what I'm going to do now. Keep in mind that when you're braiding the hair, you want to ensure that your braid is concealed. So you want to take your braid and wrap it under the extensions and then proceed to infuse it in with the braid. Another thing to note is that this is synthetic hair, so it does tangle quite a bit. So take your time, don't get frustrated, and just keep going because it's going to look beautiful in the end. Doesn't this look so gorgeous? So now that we've completed the braid, I'm just gonna snip away at the ends just to make sure that they're even and they look tamed. And then after doing that, I'm gonna use a smaller elastic band in order to seal off the braid. Now we're moving on to the next step in the process, which is to wrap the base of the hair with another strand. So I'm going to take a strand from an additional pack. I would recommend getting 2 packs of this hair because you're going to use 1 pack for the ponytail and you need another pack so that you can grab a strand from that pack in order to wrap around the base. Or you can just take a strand from one of the 3 bundles, but I don't like to do that. Nevertheless, we're going to wrap the base with 1 strand of hair and we're going to use a bobby pin in order to secure it in place, and then we're going to be finished with this style.
Come a little closer, cause I need to let you know. I need to let you know. Oh, you know I need ya. Baby, I can't keep a secret anymore. No, it ain't cool to say this. I know it ain't cool to be like this, but I just wanna let you know that you're my favorite. I just wanna let you know that you're the one for me. Say amen if you feel me. Say amen if you feel me. I just wanted you to know that you're amazing. I just wanted you to know, baby, everything. So say amen if you feel me. Cause you know you're my favorite.
Oh my goodness, this style is so bomb. Don't y'all just love it? Leave a comment down below. Now we're gonna move on to the bubble ponytail. I'm just gonna take down the braid and all you need is elastic bands. Now I started with the goodie bands, but I realized those were a little stretched out. So I decided to go for the smaller elastic bands in order to cup each of the bubbles. And I like to spray on this Icy Fantasia heat protectant just to add additional sheen to the hair. And if you decide to do this style after doing the braid, then you may want to detangle the hair first, but you could actually just wear the ponytail out depending on how you're feeling that day. And this is where the 24 inches fall on me, in case you're wondering. So after showing you all this, I'm going to go straight into the bubble ponytail. I'm going to allow you all to watch this process. And this particular style is much more beginner friendly for those who cannot braid. It's really simple and easy. The whole process consists of wrapping elastic bands around the hair, and you're just going to do this as many times as you desire, depending on how many bubbles you want. Alright y'all, that's the end of this tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed both hairstyles. Be sure to let me know which one is your favorite. Like, comment, and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram if you aren't already, and TikTok. Be sure to check the description box. I've linked all the products down below. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next tutorial. Bye guys.